Hi friend, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I wanted to share with you 11 different side hustle ideas that you can start just using Canva. The first thing that you could create using Canva is anything homeschool related. So think homeschooling planners, homeschool resources like printable educational posters, or you could even do an entire homeschool curriculum. I actually have a homeschooling planner that I ordered from Amazon. You can create and have Amazon ship it and print it for you through Amazon KDP. I didn't make this. This is what I use for my daughter's homeschooling, and it's got all of these different pages. To be honest, I probably won't be using all of the pages, but it's really nicely designed and pretty much anyone will get a ton of use out of it if you are a homeschooling parent. If you didn't want to sell it on Amazon KDP, you could also just sell a printable version of it. The next product that you could make on Canva is dramatic play printables. And this is actually really cute. I just used someone else's printables a couple weekends ago to create this cinema themed movie night on a Friday night. And it came with little flags and little printable banners. Anyways, there's like a whole thing. Let's see if I can find something similar to show you. I've seen a lot of people doing cool things like the brand Goodnight Fox. So if you go onto the Goodnight Fox website, you can go to their shop by product and go dramatic play to get a few ideas. So as you can see, they've got ice cream shop dramatic play, Easter printables, grocery store dramatic play, and all of these cute little different dramatic play printables. Anyways, getting ahead of myself. Oh, this is cute. Witch's Brew Potion and Printable Dramatic Place Kit. That was a tongue twister. So yeah, things like dramatic play printables could be really easy to create on Canva. And if you can set it up yourself and print them and make a little setup, I feel like that would do really well on either TikTok if you wanted to do a short form video for it, or even on Pinterest. So number 4 on our list are vision board templates, and you could do this a few different ways. You could either create like a printable bundle with different words and photos. You can have people make a physical vision board, or you could make a vision board template that someone could fill in all the pictures and everything on Canva. Product number 8 on my list is something that might actually surprise you to know that you can even do on Canva, and that is creating sales page templates. The way that we would actually go about doing this is by creating a functioning sales page on Canva. And then on the back end, we would just hook up Stripe so that and we would attach our digital product to Stripe and then connect Stripe to the page. If you would like a tutorial on that, then just let me know and I can definitely make a video going through the process of how to set that up. Next on the list are social media templates. I've noticed that there is currently a demand for social media templates for real estate agents, dentists, and restaurants. The nice thing about social media templates is that you can actually create an entire bundle and either sell it as just templates, or you could offer social media graphics as a service to local businesses. If you did a membership, you could do something like a template membership for restaurants where the restaurants will pay to be a part of your membership. You could also build a template membership for specific industries. So you could do a template membership for real estate agents or a template membership for restaurants. And then each month they just get access to a new bundle of templates if you don't want to have more of a one-on-one service. Number 7 on our list is in the wedding category, and this could be any type of wedding stationery. So think wedding planners, whether it's printable planners, or you could even go the Amazon KDP route. You could do invitation, or you could even sell things like seating templates. If you found this video useful so far, make sure that you hit the like button. It would really help my channel out a ton. I'm trying to get new videos out every week, at least once, and more than once if I can make it happen. Going into number 8, which is YouTube templates. Creating thumbnail designs, you could do it as a template, or you could even offer this as a service too. Content creators always need new thumbnails. Okay, number 9 is meta ad templates, which could be designed either for physical businesses or physical products, or you could just focus on digital products. Number 10 are seamless patterns for print on demand shops. and you can actually create patterns on Canva. You'll just want to make sure that the elements that you are using have the right licenses. You could either get them through Creative Fabrica or you could try Creative Market, and just make sure that whatever you pick has the correct license, especially if someone else is going to be using it for their own products. Number 11 are wholesale catalog templates, and this could be done either for the upcoming holiday season, or the templates could be used for businesses that sell on Fair, which is a wholesale website. And number 12 is anything small business marketing related, and think of package insert templates, especially for the upcoming holiday season. You could create bundles of holiday themed small business marketing items. You could do market signage. You could do stickers like the thank you stickers, or just branded stickers, or any social media graphic templates. I hope that this list of products gave you a few really good ideas to get started. Let me know in the comments what you are going to be trying out for yourself, and I will see you in the next video.